and I'm drumming, I'm humming the only words I ever know. I'm coming, I'm leaving, everything that keeps me feeling low. And I walk in time to the beat that's keeping blood flow. And I walk in line to your speech leading me home. I see the trees reaching over me, holding me. I keep the breeze on my back from holding me. But I feel this tight rope getting even tighter, though I fight it entirely despite it conspiring with me. Yeah. And I'm under the pressure of the light falling low. And I'm under the weather from the nights on my own. But I try to find all the times that you spoke to me. And I keep in mind all the lines that you wrote for me. I walk to every last word and every last hope. And I walk to every letter on this path home. And though the tightrope is getting even tighter, I know the brighter days are up ahead, so I hold on. So I hold on.